New Year and welcome to Cosmic Kingdom. This is a warning. This episode contains spoilers from the movie Arrival. So if you haven't seen it and you don't want it to be spoiled, it's a minor one. But if you haven't seen it, just stop watching it, okay? This is Monterey and welcome to Cosmic Kingdom. Ever wonder what would you do if you encounter aliens? Surely you don't want to do like the protagonist in Arrival and waiting for them with a banner with your name like an Addison Lee driver. This issue have already been studied. In the 70s, we launched two probes out there to the space, and both of them came with what is called the Voyager disk. And the Voyager disk is a golden disk with information about us on Earth. And what I'm going to comment today is just a tiny part of it, and it's just the roadmap to Earth. So in this disk, there is this nice sign here that looks like a star, but it's not a star. It is actually a map of our position on the galaxy. First, we need to have a look at this sign. This sign represents an atomic transition of the atom of hydrogen, and that transition has a frequency. And that frequency is going to be like the pattern, like the ruler in which all the times in the disks are going to be measured. And that is a fundamental frequency. Easy. If you are so intelligent, able to capture this Voyager and just understand it, you should be fine understanding this unit of time. In previous episode, we talked about neutron stars and pulsars. So a neutron star is basically something really, really dense that is spinning around, and it has it has an axis, and on that axis it's emitting radiation. And because it spins so fast and it does it so regularly, the frequency is like an atomic watch. So imagine that instead of a neutron star, you have a lighthouse, and the lighthouse is spinning. And you know the frequency of spinning of each different lighthouses. And you are in the sea, and you're able to see 3 or 4. Then, because you know the position of the lighthouses, you are going to be able to understand where your ship is. This is exactly what this diagram is. The length of the line represents the distance from the pulsar to the Earth. And the different dots are in binary the frequency of the pulsar, the frequency of the lighthouse. So if an alien sees this, he will know, or she will know, or it will know that, okay, this frequency, which is characteristic of that pulsar, then is that pulsar. And that pulsar is this far away from Earth. And then, this is the other one. Okay, and that is so far away from Earth. And in the end, because we gave them, I think it's 12, they are going to be able to map our position on Earth. The question is that wise? Do we want like a insect-like alien race coming to Earth to harvest our bodies? I leave you guys that for your comments, and thanks for watching me, and see you guys next week. Bye bye.